Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades, and we've got a new feature this week. Best Trades of the Week. Let's take a look. Well, I'm sure everybody knows that inflation is on the march. It's going up. The CPI was up, and now we traded the PPI. We have a nice setup. A gold trap trade. What is a trap trade? It's a trade where our software puts orders on the chart 2 above the current price, which is this orange arrow, and 2 orders below. If the price goes down, we buy the market because we expect a reversal. If the price goes up, we sell the market. That's exactly what happened today. The PPI came out. Gold popped up. That's what we're trading, gold. We also were looking at the YM. Some members were trading that. We had an immediate profit. I'm not going to say the exact amount, but it was a couple of $100 for us. But remember, this is a new feature. Trades of the week. Best trades of the week, I should say. Nice winner on PPI for 10-minute trades. And then our members, which is the key. How did you do? Ravi from Switzerland, over $700 on the trade. Langford from Anguilla. Isn't it interesting that many of our traders are from overseas? $500 profit. He traded the RTY. A very interesting trade for Langford. And then I've got to show you another trade, because remember, this is a new feature. Best trades of the week. CSCO Earnings. Now, I couldn't be in the trade room because I had a previous engagement. I was so busy, and I'm such a busy person. But I made a video, and I left it in the trade room file folder. I explained to everyone, here's how you trade CSCO. Let me show you what happened. Langford had himself a very nice profitable CSCO earnings trade. He made over $300 on that trade. And don't forget that you can trade our events in your prop account, in your cash account. Either will do. Our CSCO trade was very nice. We were looking forward to trading CSCO. I enjoy earnings more than any trade that we have. Now, the key with earnings is we study these stocks. We trade futures, not the stocks. There's our orders. We know that CSCO is generally on time. I had a bracket. I adjusted it because the earnings weren't out. That means I centered it. And then I let it play. I thought that CSCO earnings were long. I adjusted one more time. Then the earnings came out. There's that burst. I had heard on the news in my headset they were long. And now I'm going to get filled, and I'm going to turn a losing day into a winning day in this particular prop account. Very nice trade for CSCO. Look how reasonably slow it was. It was very easy to manage, and I was able to just wait. It's going to move up. It's going to hit my first target. It's going to get me profitable in that account. I'm out of the trade, made over $200 on it. But my favorite CSCO trade is from Doc from the Villages. Doc from the Villages trades a very highly leveraged prop account. He traded 6 contracts, which is a decent amount. And you can see his trade. The price goes up like you saw in my trade, but he's got quite a few extra contracts. And he's managing his trade very nicely, being patient, more patient than I was. Price and profit is over $500 now, over $600. He's managing by getting ready to trail his stop. He actually moved his target up to see if even more money might be available. And as the trade is coming to an end, his profit was rising and rising and rising. And by the time Doc was done, he had over $1,000 profit trading CSCO earnings. The key here, the beauty of this whole trade, and the reason why it's such an important part of our feature this week, great trades of the week. I wasn't there to tell everybody what to do, and that's the key to our system. We teach, we teach, we teach in the trade room. We show you how to do it, and we want you to learn how to do it. And the folks that put the time in, well, they were able to trade CSCO on their own, with their own setups, with their own amount of contracts, with their own targets, using the info that we gave them as a base to build upon. And quite a few profitable trades. on Cisco, and I'm really happy that we're able to affect people's lives in such a positive way. Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades, our great new feature, Best Trades of the Week, and keep an eye on your email for some fantastic announcements, a great offer as always, and I'll see you soon in the trade room. Great time to become a member of 10-Minute Trades. Take care, everyone. Hope you're having an awesome weekend.